Welcome to my channel Luxury Car 001, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of premium automobiles. Today, we're stepping into the world of sheer opulence and unmatched comfort with the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S580, a true ultra S-Class that redefines what luxury on four wheels really means. This flagship sedan is not just a car, it's an experience designed for those who demand nothing but the best in elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology. From the very first glance, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S580 exudes an aura of authority and prestige. Its long, flowing body lines, signature chrome detailing, and exclusive Maybach grille set it apart from the standard S-Class. The two-tone paint option adds an extra layer of sophistication, ensuring it stands out whether you're arriving at a gala or pulling up to a five-star hotel. The signature Maybach emblem subtly reminds everyone that this isn't just any luxury sedan, it's the epitome of elite motoring. Under the hood, the S580 is powered by a refined 4.0-liter V8 turbo engine paired with a mild hybrid deck boost system, delivering around 496 horsepower and smooth, effortless acceleration. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the S580 offers a whisper-quiet ride. Thanks to its exceptional insulation and advanced suspension system, the 9-speed automatic transmission works in perfect harmony with the powertrain, ensuring each drive feels like gliding on silk. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a private jet cabin than a car. The cabin is adorned with the finest Napa leather, exquisite wood veneers, and customizable ambient lighting that lets you set the mood for your journey. The rear seats are where the Maybach magic truly shines, offering executive-class reclining, massage functions, and even footrests for the ultimate travel experience. For those who value privacy, power rear sunshades and optional electrochromic glass keep the outside world at bay. Technology in the 2025 S580 is second to none. The latest Bucks infotainment system features a massive OLED central display, 3D digital driver's display, and voice control that responds naturally to your commands. Rear passengers enjoy their own entertainment screens, wireless charging, and even individual climate control zones. The Burmester 4D surround sound system envelops you in crystal-clear audio, turning every ride into a personal concert. Safety is paramount, and the S580 comes equipped with the most advanced driver assistance systems available, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and even automated parking. Mercedes has also refined its semi-autonomous driving features, allowing the S580 to take over some driving duties in certain conditions, making long trips more relaxing than ever. In short, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S580 is the ultimate expression of luxury, blending timeless craftsmanship, cutting-edge innovation, and effortless performance. It's more than just transportation, it's a statement of success and refinement. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Ultra S-Class, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Luxury Car 001 for more exclusive reviews of the world's most prestigious vehicles. Stay tuned, because the next ride might just be your dream car.